MP Deepen Singh Hooda said that government is doing drama instead of giving treatment to corona patient. Disappointment of patients getting to the hospital after relying on the chief minister's talk. What is the preparation of the government to counter the third wave? Showcasing advertising, blank opening and blank statements will not work. The government should build a temporary hospital with all facilities in every village. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday announced a financial assistance of Rs 1,000 crore for immediate relief measures in the areas hit by cyclone Taukte in Gujarat, an official release said. The Congress on Wednesday attacked the Narendra Modi government over a hike in fertilizer prices and said this will put an additional burden of Rs 20,000 crore on the farmers. Bombay High Court on Wednesday directed Taloja Prison Superintendent to arrange to take Firstand Swami, 84 to JJ Hospital on Thursday at noon. Barrier of Uttar Pradesh border Balia Silja Ganga River Shivpur Nauranga damaged pontoon which connects village in the border of Bihar. People do not care about the bad condition of the people coming on the occasion of marriage. Mucormycosis, which is primarily affecting people recovering from COVID, has been declared an epidemic in Rajasthan, officials said on Wednesday. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson on Wednesday said that there is increasing confidence in Britain about the efficacy of COVID vaccine against a double mutant strain that was first detected in India. Maharashtra Congress Chief Nana Patel on Wednesday warned of an agitation if the union government did not withdraw the hike in fertilizer prices. The Kolkata High Court adjourned till Thursday the hearing in the Narad string tape case in which two West Bengal ministers and MLAs and a former mayor of Kolkata were arrested by the CBI. Deepika Padukone has slot down questions about extending her family with kids each time they have come up. However, in 2013, the actress had opened up about her 10-year plan where the hope she would have a happy family with 3 kids whom she will take along on shoots.